Part 3. Sorting. Putting things in order is so common that your language hides a one-word command for it. But to truly understand speed, let's open the hood. We will begin with the 3 simple sorts. They are slow? Yes. But they teach the core idea. And honestly, they are lovely to watch. First, bubble sort. Walk the list, and whenever 2 neighbors are out of order, swap them. The biggest value slowly bubbles its way to the end, one pass at a time. Next, insertion sort. Think of sorting a hand of playing cards. You take the next card and slide it backward until it sits snugly in its right place, among the ones you have already sorted. And selection sort. Scan the whole list for the very smallest item and swap it to the front. Then find the next smallest, and the next. They feel quite different, but they share the same fate. A loop inside a loop. For 1,000 items, that is 1,000,000 operations. O of n squared. On small lists, they are perfectly fine. But on big ones, they slam into that cliff we drew earlier. To beat them, we will need a cleverer idea. And happily, it is coming up right now.